In our previous episode, we left Euler behind, following quiet roads through the green heart of Twente. The sound of wind in the trees, the rhythm of the road, and the promise of a new day ahead. Today, that road leads us further, towards remembrance, reflection, and the timeless calm of nature. In the quiet hills of Sallandse, near the village of Holten, lies a place where peace whispers through the trees. This is the Canadian War Cemetery, a resting place for those who came from across the ocean. Young men from Canada who gave everything for the freedom of a land they'd never seen before. More than 1,300 soldiers rest here. Each headstone tells a story of courage, of sacrifice, and of lives cut short before they truly began. Walking between the rows, the world feels still. The air carries a weight, not of sadness alone, but of gratitude. You read the names, the ages, 19, 20, 21, and you realize freedom was not free. The maple leaf carved in stone connects this Dutch soil forever with Canada. Families there and people here share the same silent promise to never forget. Nature has taken these heroes into her care. Every visitor leaves with a quiet thought that peace is fragile and remembrance is our duty. Here, among the fields and forests of Twente, Canada's brave sons sleep. And we remember.